I was thinking about Mike Tyson because I was watching videos of him skipping rope yesterday morning, and I realized that I've been skipping like Mike Tyson unknowingly for many years. And what I mean by that is one of his breathing techniques or facial position techniques. If you watch Mike Tyson jump rope, he often keeps his mouth closed. So he's very likely using his nose to breathe, especially when the intensity is relatively low. And he's so fit that he can nose breathe when he increases the intensity too. But what he does is this. Watch Mike Tyson jump rope, and in his videos you'll often see him do this. He'll fold the lips over on top of one another, and in doing so, kind of pulling down the upper lip area, the mustache area, and you're relaxing, you're kind of opening the nostrils, the nasal passage. So it can be very relaxing and easier to breathe through your nose. That is something you can try doing when you're at rest or when you're walking, and you can even try incorporating it into your jump rope workout. All right.